Hello everyone. Today is my first day in Melbourne. I'm going to buy myself a ring from this jeweler. It's very unusual, her design. So I have my eye on her work for a while, but she's based in Melbourne. I was planning to buy in Sydney, but I want to see her full selection. I want to try them on myself. So today I'm going to go to see her. I have an appointment with her, so I'm going to check out all her full range. And it's very unusual. All her range is like interchangeable. You know what I mean when I show you next time when I see her in half an hour.